Have you ever started your vehicle in the morning and noticed white smoke coming from the exhaust, only to see it disappear a few minutes later? While this can sometimes be completely normal, it can also be an early warning sign of a more serious problem. Welcome back to FixPro Garage. In today's video, we'll cover 6 common reasons why white smoke appears at startup and then goes away, so you can determine whether it's harmless or something that needs immediate attention.
Number 1.
The most common cause is simple condensation. During cold weather, moisture naturally builds up inside the exhaust system. When you start the engine, that moisture turns into water vapor and exits through the tailpipe as thin white smoke. As the exhaust system heats up, the moisture evaporates completely and the smoke disappears. In most cases, this is perfectly normal and nothing to worry about. 2. If the white smoke has a sweet smell, the issue may be a coolant leak. Coolant can enter the combustion chamber through a damaged head gasket, a cracked cylinder head, or in severe cases, a cracked engine block. When coolant burns inside the engine, it creates thick white smoke. This problem should never be ignored because it can lead to overheating and serious engine damage. 3. Another possible cause is engine oil entering the combustion chamber. Worn piston rings, damaged valve seals, or internal engine wear can allow oil to burn during startup. Although oil burning usually creates blue or gray smoke, certain conditions can make it appear white, especially during the first few minutes after starting the engine. 4. Faulty fuel injectors or incorrect fuel injection timing can also cause temporary white smoke. This is especially common in diesel engines, where incomplete combustion may leave unburned fuel exiting through the exhaust. While less common in gasoline engines, injector problems can still create similar symptoms. 5. In some older automatic vehicles equipped with a vacuum modulator valve, a failed diaphragm can allow transmission fluid to enter the engine and burn during combustion. When this happens, white smoke may appear from the exhaust. Although this issue is not common on modern vehicles, it is still something to consider on older models. 6. The final cause is a faulty positive crankcase ventilation system, commonly known as the PCV system. If the PCV valve sticks or the hoses become damaged, excess oil vapor can be pulled into the intake system and burned during startup. As the engine reaches operating temperature, the system may begin working more normally, causing the smoke to disappear. Important smoke differences. Not all white smoke is the same. Thin vapor that disappears quickly is usually condensation and is considered normal. However, thick white smoke that continues after the engine warms up can indicate a coolant leak or another serious mechanical issue. If the smoke has a blue tint, oil burning may be the cause. And if white smoke appears continuously, regardless of engine temperature, professional diagnosis is highly recommended. So those are 6 common reasons why white smoke may appear when starting your vehicle and then disappear as it warms up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive repair tips here on FixPro Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.